6 years ago or 7 years ago. Grandma! Nilaba ko na t-shirt mo! Grandma! Ay, hindi! Nalaba ko na! Change shots spit on you. What? Well, the sun's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made? Happy ever after. Ah! I'm washing my foot. What? Washing ladder. Can I use this?
No! It's dirty.
What? Smelly dirt. Ah! Paa. And there's another spider and I will kill you. Hey, spider, stupid spider. Ah, smells. And there's a spider web behind your back, camera girl.
Sige, pakita ko yung sa papa mo.
I-post ko daw sa YouTube.
Tapos ano, sa bahay, you wash all the clothes, even the clothes of your papa.
And no. And no. And no. I saw that's a butterfly.
Sige na. Si
And
Veronica.
you leave this instant!
Veronica Labandera.
Na, 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 na.
Labandera.
Oh, magbasa-basa ka!
Veronica Labandera.
Would you shut up there? I am doing my chores.
Veronica Labandera.
So annoying. You place there in YouTube. Annoying orange and her wife is annoying Annie.
Labandera si Veronica. Bagay sa likod.
Yung nakita ko si grandma dito. Ha? Naglaba din ako na as a servant. Labandera si Anilet. Grandma, tulungan ako dito.
Sampayin mo na yung bra. Sampayin mo na yung bra.
Ha?
Sampayin mo na yung bra.
Ah!
Walk na kita dyan. Stand up right back. You get out. Walk.
Maliko na lagi ako
As
dito.
if that's your laba is reliable. They're gonna wash it again, Kitty. Turuan mo siya, magpausasan mo na.
Tapos na yan?